There's enough cash in the financial system, and there is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve, an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve, an infinite amount of cash.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
So as you guys probably know, the markets have been declining steadily since January, and we're most likely heading into a recession. What do you guys need to do to prepare for this next recession? Well, we all know the most wealth is created during economic recessions, so you need as much liquid money as possible. You do not want it tied up right now. Now, if you have stocks right now in the stock market, don't sell off, because you're essentially just selling off to bigger people who have more money, who are just gonna buy on a discount. So you need to do what they're going to do, hold the stocks you already have, then buy stocks on a discount. And I wouldn't suggest getting in now, because we're gonna see a lot lower prices coming, because we're just getting started. When the Fed prints more money, it just fuels bigger downfalls. Just when COVID hit, March 2020, you saw it start to go down. I believe that's when we're supposed to hit the recession, because recessions hit every 8 to 12 years. We are going on a 13.5-year period where we haven't seen an economic recession, so that means
we're down over 16%. Dow at the same time has fallen about 18%.
The stock market is now down 21%.
Because we're now down 43%.
What in the world is happening on Wall Street?
Two-year note yields went from 190 to 166 in the blink of an eye.